Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Govee Glide wall lights. First, carefully plan your desired layout on the wall. Measure the area to ensure your design fits perfectly. Next, thoroughly clean the wall surface where the lights will be placed. This ensures the adhesive will stick firmly. Finally, connect the individual light segments together, making sure the arrows on each connector align properly for a secure fit. This foundational step is crucial for a successful installation. Now it is time to mount your lights. Carefully peel off the adhesive backing from each segment. Press each light segment firmly onto the clean wall, following your planned design. Make sure each piece is level and properly spaced for a seamless look. Once all segments are mounted, connect the control box to the first light segment. Then, plug the power adapter into a standard electrical outlet to bring your lights to life. With your lights powered on, it is time to connect them to the Govee Home app. Download the app from your app store and create an account. Open the app, tap the plus icon in the top right corner, and select your Govee Glide wall lights from the device list. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to pair your lights using either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Once connected, you can immediately begin customizing colors and exploring hundreds of dynamic lighting effects. Beyond basic customization, your Govee Glide wall lights offer exciting advanced features. Try the music sync mode to watch your lights dance to your favorite tunes, creating an immersive audio-visual experience. You can also set convenient schedules for your lights to automatically turn on or off at specific times. Dive into the DIY mode to craft truly unique lighting scenes. Remember, you can always expand your setup by adding more segments for even grander designs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.